Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by setting levels so the vocal peaks near -6 dB. This gives headroom for compression to work without clipping. Next, open the mixer and add Bandlab's compressor to the vocal FX slot. Choose a vocal preset to avoid starting from 0. Once done, bypass alternate FX to hear compression in isolation and make a quick input/output balance check so you can hear only what the compressor changes versus the dry signal. Now you shape dynamics. Lower the threshold until you see roughly 3 to 6 dB of gain reduction on loud phrases. That tames peaks without squashing expression. Set the ratio between 2:1 and 4:1 for natural control, and choose higher ratios only for shouted or aggressive parts. For tone, use a fast attack when you want peaks cut quickly, and slower attack to let transients through. Adjust release to return musically, often between 50 and 300 milliseconds. Finish by using makeup gain to restore perceived loudness so the vocal sits correctly in the mix without raising noise. Once the compressed level is balanced, apply gentle EQ after the compressor. Reduce muddiness around 2 to 400 Hz and add presence around 3 to 6 kHz for intelligibility. Finally, listen in full mix and automate compressor bypass or makeup if needed. If you hear pumping, adjust release or use sidechain filtering to stop low frequency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.